we are living in this interesting AI era, revolutionary era, where data is this new energy. And it's very interesting what can you create from data. Data is certainly raw material for a data scientist. And today I want to show to you what I have created, how I have materialized my idea into a product. So let's dive into that. So I was always inspired by fashion. So if you go to YouTube and you essentially type Runway and you type a name of a designer, you can see those runway shows. They happen every season. Actually, before the season takes place, the designer will release their collection. So all of those videos, they're not really curated videos, so you can see that the models are walking and they're demonstrating the latest pieces from the collection. But you don't know what fabric was used, you don't know even the colors. Obviously, we as a human can see the colors, can kind of guess the fabric, but there is no curation. So, and you can go and type a different designer, you can get a different basically show and so on. But this gives us the unique opportunity, right, to actually leverage that data and see what we can extract automatically from that data. Overall, my idea is very simple. So what I want to build an application where you can upload an image, or you can kind of type a piece of prompt, a piece of text, and do searches based on that image, or do searches based on that piece of text. So why is that? Well, if you're an introvert like me, you see something that another person is wearing, you don't necessarily want to ask where they have bought it, where you can get it. You want to kind of be able to find it, right? I look, and by look I want to find where I can make my purchase, or if I cannot afford that, then maybe I can find something similar and use that. So overall, here's kind of my idea outlined in this diagram. So we want to create a bank of data and inventory anchored in fashion. Why? Because I want to be able to actually perform searches, conduct searches against my data, and I want to be able to conduct multimodal searches. So I want to be able to specify an image and basically retrieve similar images to it. Ideally, I want to be able to make a purchase. So I want to actually be able to find stores and the actual, digital places where I can transact on and make a purchase again. But anyways, so you really need to collect this data. My proposal would be leverage the YouTube runway shows, work with that data. This video is really non-technical, so I'm not going to show that, but I can do it next time if you guys are interested. And then after the collection of data is done, then the basic job is to basically retrieve the nearest neighbors from Pinecone database, which is a vector database. So nowadays it's super simple. You don't have to actually subscribe to OpenAI APIs. And the beauty is that all the transformer models are publicly available, and you can use those pieces of software. You can use them from the HuggingFace, where they're being stand up as endpoints, or they can basically be sitting somewhere else. But anyways, let me dive into a demo. So you type a prompt, you hit a submit button, or you choose a file. If you don't choose an image on your local device and you type something, we're going to use prompt to image model, and it's going to generate the image automatically. And then leveraging this Pinecone data storage, we're going to perform searches on this vector that is representing an image and retrieve results back. The retrieved results actually are data enhanced. So over here you can see keywords which are auto-generated. It's a very important piece because you can leverage that in marketing, so in basically any kind of other departments of your business. and I'm also enriching my data set when I ask a machine learning model of what do you see on a given image, and it will generate that answer, human readable answer. So that's pretty much it what I wanted to share. Thank you so much for listening.